Hello everybody, and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be going over the greenhouse, the Harbor Freight greenhouse. It's a 10 by 12 with the 20% off coupon. It comes out to about $500, and I'm expecting this to be probably a 3 or 4 video series. This is obviously the first video in it, and what I'm going to be doing is kind of going over getting the area ready and unboxing the greenhouse. So getting the groundwork done, getting everything leveled out, opening up the box, kind of checking through, seeing if your inventory is all there, and putting together the base of the frame. So all of that's already been done, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that happened, and then in the next couple of videos I'll be showing you putting up the rest of the framing and putting on the panels, sealing them up so that humidity isn't an issue. And then maybe a 4th video will be on building some benches and finally putting some plants in here, getting the seeds started. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, just a quick check-in, show you what's going on here. I've gotten the these 2 4x4s parallel at 10 feet, and I made sure that they were level in place, and then I took that 4x4 with a level on it and made sure that they were level together, and then I took my tape measure and I went from that corner to that corner and that corner to that corner and made sure that those dimensions were the same and that this should be pretty square. So square and level at this point. There's a lot of digging, and looked like some easy digging earlier, but believe me, there were areas where there was plenty of rocks. So those are just some I was tossing out. There's plenty that got buried, and then I've just been building up this wall with more of them, because I'm adding some height on this side to make up for how out of level this hill was. I've dug in pretty deep at this point. I didn't want to dig much deeper. So now that those 2 are square, I am going to go ahead and start unboxing the greenhouse kit. And once I've kind of gotten things situated and looked at the instructions and everything, then I'll probably come in and cut the other 4x4 down for the back here. I just want to make sure that my measurements, or at least the area I've prepared, is the same as what the greenhouse needs. So that was the groundwork. Hopefully that's all of the groundwork. I'm hoping to get this project done very quickly because the goats got in here, and you can see they left a couple of plants, mostly weeds. Alright, so we're here. It's the official unboxing. Now, this is the first time that you're probably going to need something other than a shovel, rake, tamper bar, something like that for doing the groundwork. So get yourself a good cutting tool, and let's get this open. Now, if you've got the right tools for the job, it does make it really easy. Alright, I've heard bad things about these instructions. Let's see how bad they really are. First off, we've got some instruction precautions here. I guess they really want you to only install it according to the directions, wear your goggles, blah blah, sharp edges, keep the area lit and clean, okay. Keep bystanders away. Don't assemble it when you're tired, under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication. Well, where's the fun in that? Oh well. Alright. So, we got some basic warnings here. A big sticker on the back says, don't install this on a windy day. Ignore that flopping around of the page there. It's not windy. Don't let anything stack up on it. Alright, dimensions. Looks like it's a 1/2 inch over 10 by 12 on each side. So I may be removing or moving around these by a 1/2 inch, we'll see. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Important stuff. Alright. Let's assemble this base, I guess, but that's going to require further unboxing here. You got a packing list? There it is. Well, I am going to make sure I got what I need here. Alright, so don't mean to sound partial or anything, but I went ahead and pulled out the skinny box first. Yes, so we have number 44. Look to be about 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. And then those ones are longer, but they are unlabeled. Looked around, didn't see any numbers on them. I'm just gonna assume that they're number 43, and there should be 4 of them. So here we have numbers 45, 46, and I think this was another 46. Yeah, 46. Looks like 446, 445. Alright, that's all that was in this box. I'm not seeing any of the hardware, so I guess I'll have to bring another one around. There's 2 other boxes left. There's this box, and then the big box. I'm gonna assume the panels are all in this big box, and that the hardware is in the slightly skinnier box. Alright, so there's box number 2, and it does look like it's got the hardware. So, it looks like all the aluminum, and that my theory, the rest of the stuff is in that last box as far as the panels goes, probably right, so I'll leave that one on there. This one's over here, and right now, go over there and install the frame. Alright, so starting off with number 43, the diagonal cuts are going to go on the end. And these are the long sections, so 12-foot lengths, well, overall. Alright, and then numbers 46, 68, and 69. You're gonna slide in. Well, Fox said it was 120 and a half inches, but it's 119 inches, so that's not the case.